Right, I'm back at the railway station. It's been like 3 weeks now or more since talking about having the new bridge fitted. So this is another update on the railway station. Let's see what's happened here since. So let's go and have a look. Oh, I nearly fell over. Oh, can't see anything. Bit of tarmac across over there. Oh yeah, all this was pulled up last time. Yeah, they had barriers across, didn't they? Put all the cobbles back down now. Yeah, it looks cool. 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so all the cobbles, benches are back. See all the bird shits back as well from all the pigeons. So yeah, it looks like you've done a tidy job. Bit of a modern brick there. Oh no! Look what they got and done here in Newtown railway station. Run out of bricks. Look at that, eh? How nice does that look all the way along there? And then, bloody hell! We'll stick some tarmac in between. Oh my god! Well, I hope they're going to put that right. What am I, 24th of April 2024? Oh my like, I bet there'll be a few complaints about that. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, I can't see a lot's been done. I thought this was only supposed to take 6 weeks. What the bloody hell's happened here? Since the last time we were here. Nothing's changed. Sure, I saw them in there last time, didn't they? Yeah. Ooh, nothing's not secure. What's the matter with everything these days? Everything seems to be on a go slow round here. Wow. Ah, that's something a bit different. Let's pop my camera through there and have a look. Oh, it must be one of the main structures of the bridge they're putting up. Oh, still on a go slow, isn't it? Same over there. Oh, should we go and have a look over there? No, we'll have a look over there. We'll go for a look over there. But like I say, these places seem to take forever to do. What happened to the days of having stuff done quickly? Anyway, I'll walk around with you. I'll come back in a second when I'm on the other side. And this tarmac, oh my god, that doesn't look good. Anyway, back in a second. 5+5. Right, on the other side. I'll zoom this a little bit because these are always a little bit too far. 2 times. They are. Well, it seems to have been digging up there with a lot of tarmac. Yeah, tarmac's the easy way these days. Same here. Looks a bit shoddy. Looks like that'll get pulled up in no time. People's feet or whatever else. Anyway, oh, it looks like they haven't finished cutting along here anyway. Yeah. So it looks like they must have just stopped. So let's have a look over here. Anything interesting? No. It's a lot of dirt. No, just the same stuff as last time. Bit of concrete being put on this bit that wasn't there before, and there. Now they're doing this bit. We're gonna have a look. So yeah, looks like on a go slow. I don't know. Everything seems to slow down, all these time schedules they give us, and they don't get done. It's weird, isn't it? That's the bridge and the railway station. Very weird. Anyway, don't think there's any trains coming till 6 o'clock, and it's 5 now. So anyway, on that note, let's hope they put that tarmac right, and we'll see what the progress is in another 3 or 4 weeks. I thought they would have done a lot more by now. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next bit. Bye for now.